Etoro or Trading 212, which is better in 2026? Both are popular investing platforms with millions of users, but they're designed for different types of investors. Choosing the right one depends on how you want to invest. First, let's talk about eToro. It stands out because of its social trading features. You can follow experienced investors, view their portfolios, or even copy their trades automatically using CopyTrader. It also offers access to stocks, ETFs, crypto, and other assets through a beginner-friendly platform. Now let's look at Trading 212. It focuses on simple, commission-free investing. It offers stocks, ETFs, and portfolio building tools through a clean and easy-to-use interface. Many investors like it because it keeps investing straightforward without extra distractions. The biggest difference is the experience. eToro is built around social investing and learning from other traders. Trading 212 is built around self-directed investing and long-term portfolio management. So which one is better? If you're a beginner who wants social trading and the ability to copy experienced investors, eToro is the better choice. If you prefer managing your own investments with a simple, low-cost platform, Trading 212 is the stronger option. For many long-term investors, Trading 212 offers great simplicity, while eToro shines for those who want a more interactive investing experience. eToro versus Trading 212. Now you know which platform is the better fit for your investing goals in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing app comparisons just like this.